The hills, weathered grey and downy brown by ancient rock and moss, stand sentinel along the way. The hedgerows have shut up shop, but there are still a few dishevelled lemons and oranges among the sensible greens. One last turn where white caps roll into the bay, then you face the guardians of this place, the Caha and the Gula, Slieve Miskish Mountains. There is a certain peace among the stones that stand above you now. I'm grateful for the quiet air, the distant rolling of the tide. Here's some umbrisha, Féilish from Jarrag, gathered from the roadside for your graves. Mombrisha, I never knew their name before, called them Allihies flowers until you told me. There's some in our back garden too, stowaways across the sea that fell in Shropshire soil. They are keepsakes of that place of high sorrow, the precious ground of home that holds you all. Here's some Mombrisha, Féilish from Jarrag, gathered from the roadside for your graves. I'll scatter them for you here and there, until my bones lie down along with yours.